In this video, I'm going to be going over how to delete a WordPress website from IONOS step by step. This process will not only uninstall WordPress from IONOS, but it will delete WordPress from IONOS. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your WordPress site deleted from IONOS. If you don't already have IONOS, I provide a link in the description so you can save some money on your IONOS web hosting purchase. You'll get IONOS for as low as $1 a month plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from IONOS at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome IONOS discount. Let's get started with the IONOS Delete WordPress website tutorial. Once you log into IONOS, you'll be here on the main IONOS login page. Click the Websites in Store option. You can also get to this by clicking the menu drop-down at the top. From here, click Websites in Stores. Scroll down and you'll see Uninstall Website. It'll say delete your website including all data. Select this option. You'll see a warning that your website will be deleted permanently. When you delete your WordPress website, all associated data, settings, and contents stored in the database will be deleted. Click the Uninstall button. IONOS will begin uninstalling and deleting your WordPress website. If for some reason you see system error showing, don't worry. Click the IONOS logo at the top. Click Websites in Stores again. You'll see no website found. The site was successfully deleted. You have now successfully deleted your WordPress site from IONOS. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more IONOS hosting tutorial videos.